Yay!
Look, trying to figure out what's going on.
Guys, we out here. Yay! That is lit. Look at that. Damn. That's dope. What's up, brother? How are you? Eli? Easy, man.
You gotta put him on your man.
I gotta put what down? Yeah, right? Everybody got that decal right there. You gotta get that RedLineMods everywhere. Yo, this is lit, man. These wheels are just sexy. Look at these funny plates, guys. They kill me. Hey, guys, make sure you guys follow him. He's the one who did his headlights with different colors. So make sure you guys follow him and DM him if you got any questions. I'll just stay here for like a few seconds. Yup. He got his wheel set up right here. If you guys haven't seen it yet, this is for the new subscribers. You might be tuning into my channel. You know, make sure you guys are subscribed and all notifications are on. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned with me. You know, I'm the real deal here. RedLineMods all the way, guys. Look at those V3 taillights. Oh yeah. What you guys think? Oh, look at this one. You can see it in the shaded area a lot more. But yeah, check out. What do you guys think? Should he do the chrome delete or just leave it like that? Comment below. I'm about to get my tripod on so I don't shake a lot too much.
Look, trying to figure out what's going on.
Look at him. I see. Sure, it's Call of Duty.
I knew someone was there, but I said, you know what? Fuck that. Psych. He's trying to run away.
Now look at this beast right here, guys. Oof.
That's like, yeah.
No, this looks more white than.
They're debating what's white more, what's less. Which one's more white? I don't know. That one. This one's more cream.
This is the 18.
He said he paid that. It could also be because how long you had it.
That one's more white. This one's less white.
But it's made in 2008.
Yeah. I like this the grill right here. It adds nice style to it.
I put the OEM.
Yeah, it blends in with the headlights chrome.
And the wheels.
Oh yeah. Look at these wheels. Look at the stuff from the side and the front. Look at that plate cover you got. That's a nice cover. Does it go under or no?
Yeah, it goes under.
Let me see.
I got 2 screws on.
What do you mean? Oh no, it goes under. But does it go under it or no?
What?
It sticks out, right? Yeah.
Yeah. I screwed it on the bottom.
Got you.
And it sticks out. Just put your shit there.
Where'd you get it from? Amazon?
Amazon. No, eBay actually.
eBay, got you.
It's like $15.
Well, you better send me a link though.
I got you.
Yeah,
How does that look? It's nice. If you guys want that plate, the plate holder, put the link in the description below. And then it's got his moonroof up. Look at these wheels. Look at this setup. Look at this beautiful setup. This is gorgeous. What? I want these. They look really great on when they're rolling on the highway. I got a nice clip of it. Look at this exhaust. Yo, Cal, what exhaust you got? Well, yeah, but you know, remember the bumper you had?
What?
A lot of people had questions on the bumper. You know how some people want this, but they have the bumper issue. They only have one tip, remember?
For these?
No, remember you only had one tip, one exhaust tip? Or you didn't have any?
But they curved up.
You had one, right? So explain what you did, because there's many people who wants that. So people have.
I got the thermal R&D, and they had original shits on it. And I went to Queens, some spot in Queens called Fix Muffler, and and they cut them off and they just welded to the.
They cut off the part of the what's it called, the
tip.
bumper, right? Or what about the bumper?
Oh, this piece, the other exhaust was burning my bumper, so I had to cut it off.
So yeah, so you pretty much cut it off to get this setup.
Yeah, facts.
Because you only had one tip.
I only had one tip.
And then on the other side, what did you do on that side?
Same thing.
So you kind of cut it off, right?
Yeah, I cut them off and I just welded to.
And then you put in this the 3M.
Yeah, to cover the burn.
To cover the burn area.
Under here. Because the fucking exhaust tips curved up.
Yeah, yeah.
And it was just smoking in here. All this was black. Like right here was just
crazy.
burning.
So now it's a lot better.
Now it's, yeah, way better.
Yeah, this is better. So you're gonna cut off the bumper area, and he installed this on.
Yeah. So
it looks a nice, clean look, and he got, of course, diffuser. Yeah, you gotta put some nice 3M there.
I did that in the cold.
Yeah, that's what happened.
You know how it is.
Yeah, I've been through it.
Hard.
But that's it, guys. Right. Just if you got one tip,
I took.
You gotta cut this. You gotta cut it off. Unless you get the actual. There's other. Unless you swap this bumper on that one. Take this bumper off.
This is the EXL bumper. So
this one, it has
didn't come with the exhaust tip.
So if you don't want to cut your bumper, you might have to, take the 1.5 turbo, whatever, 1.5 model bumper and swap it, and then you'll get those tips without cutting your stock bumper. Yeah, that's the setup right now on his. And then we got beautiful white V1s. Yep, smoked V1s, JDM emblem. Akasaka quad, or not quad tips yet. Diffuser.
We gotta come here at night.
Yeah, right? No, it's mad packed at night.
So what?
It's OD packed.
That's lit.
Last time I came it was dumb. It was dumb packed. That's true. Look at this. You got the gloss black. Look at this tinted. Everything is tinted. Yeah, what percentage are these? 5? Shit.
5 in the front, 5.
Nice. So these are 5. This is 5% tints. I mean, it's sunny out, so you still can't look inside. It's like sunny from there, so you still can't look inside. 5. This is 35, so you see a little bit. And then the front is also 35. That's awesome. I like those tints. And come in here. You guys might, this is a 2021. It's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this one. I gotta make a separate video on this. This is nice. JDM emblem, of course. You got the strut bars on the front lip. Focused, yes. So he got it on this rail right here. In the back, you kind of screw it there. You make a small screw and you go ahead and lock it. And then one is underneath right here. So you would lock that to keep the, to give it the support. And this is a 2021, and you guys were asking what front lip would fit. And he actually just put on the front lip that I have. So you see, it comes up to here. It's not like a perfect fitment, I would say, but for some reason it actually looks good. So this is the front lip I have on mine. Look at this. And then it goes like that. You see that gap in between? You won't see that on the actual ones, the fitted ones. But this one, yeah, if you like it, go ahead, get it. Just like that. Look at that. That's how it fits. Look who shows up. Kais shows up. Ooh. That's good. Yo. Look at these. That's how it looks, guys. The front lip on this one, if you want to install that. And now, yeah, the side skirts over there broken. Someone hit him on the side, but luckily they didn't hit the door. So it's good. You just gotta replace the side skirts. And then we got Kais showing up here. It's beautiful. He just changed this recently. There's a chrome piece on the grill. I don't know. He installed it's a whole piece. Just IGs right there. If you guys want to DM him, ask him questions. Nice. Yeah, now we're waiting on more people, guys. So stay tuned, keep watching. Look at this beautiful weather. What's up, bro? Oh, nice. He's got that duck bill. Yeah. Hey, we got Ghost Falcons here. Yay! We're lit. Nice. She's revving that engine. Nice. Oh, he cleaned his wheels. It's about time. Ooh, look at that camera. Yo, Cal, let me see it. Oh. Yo, I just called you Cal. Look at that. He's not even a minute away. Twins here. Oh, man. That's lit. Well, that's a sick camera. Let me see that. Bro, this is insane. Yo, I feel like I don't want to drop it, bro. Damn. That is insane. So what's all this stuff on top, man? I never used this.
Honestly, my girlfriend is more into this. She
Oh, nice. That is dope.
She told me.
That's like heavy duty stuff. Nice. That's good
Honestly,
stuff.
this is I'm pretty sure this is like a flash.
Yeah. Maybe settings on a different flash and everything.
Control the flash.
Oof.
Yeah. With the lens.
That's lit. Oh yeah, that's a nice spot too. Take some nice pics. It's perfect. Yo, Kel, do that again, bro.
It sounds way better than mine, right?
That's great.
I need some tissue. That's sneezing. It's dripping. That sounds nice.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. The downpipe.
Catalyst downpipe too.
Catalyst downpipe.
Look, he's working on a TikTok right now.